Now we're going to look at step 5, adding photos and videos to your project or to your Google My Map. Let's click on our map. Remember, as always, we're going to click on the tab that has the marker icon. And in order to add a photo, we're going to click on the location where we would like to add the photo. I'm going to click on Iglesia de San Francisco. Careful, if you added this location when it was the green marker and said add to my map, it may have your title in English. So it's very important that you make sure it's in Spanish, since this is a Spanish class and we are grading your Spanish. So I'm going to change this back to Iglesia de San Francisco, and my location is Cuencas y Sucre 477. Save. Okay, and so now I need to add some photos to this. I'm going to click edit, and once I click edit, you could see I could come up here and add the description of why people go to the church and where it is in relation to my other locations. But in this video, we're looking at how to add photos. In the bottom right corner, you have a photo icon, and it says add image or video. So this is also how you will add a video. Click, and up here you have 4 options. You can do a Google image search, an image, if you have the image URL, you could come directly here, or you can do a video search or a YouTube URL. For now, I'm going to do a Google image search of Iglesia de San Francisco, and there's probably a lot of Iglesias de San Francisco, so I'm going to make sure to put Quito, Ecuador, and let's see what kind of photos we get. Okay, so I really like this photo because it gives us some good perspective from far back. I'm going to click here on the photo, and in the lower left corner, click select. And as you can see, that photo comes up here, save, and now I have one photo. However, I would like to add more photos, so I'm going to click edit again, and my camera disappeared, but if I click on the plus sign here, I can either add more images or a video. And it has my recent Google image search up, so I'm going to look for another picture. I like this one with the birds, but I think this one gets some good details in the front of the church. So I'll click on that and select save. And now, as you can see, I have 2 photos. And when I add a description, the description will be under the pictures. Okay, so that's how you add photos to add a video. If you already have a picture, you'll come and press the plus sign. If not, remember we have the camera in the lower right corner. I'm going to do a video search, and let's say La Plaza de la Independencia. Oh, and I missed my N there. La Plaza de la Independencia, Quito, Ecuador. I'm going to search, and let's see what this first video looks like. It's going to load it right here. So I like this video. I'm going to select it and it's going to come here. Make sure that when you use your video you look through the whole thing. Make sure that it's appropriate for school. I've looked through this video before and I know it's okay, so I'm going to upload it. And I could continue to add photos by clicking on the plus sign. So that's how you add photos and videos. As always, make sure that you save before clicking out. Once you're here, you don't have to save. I can click out of here and I don't lose any of my work. For instance, I could come back to just a regular Google map, and if I go to my maps, you'll see that I have Centro Histórico Quito, and it takes me back to the original map. If I click original map, it zooms me right into the city, and I can continue editing right where I left off.